articulation training, the 30-day clarity method. So what I just read was from your cover. Okay, so if I'm not even looking at the rest of your title and the description, I'm guessing that the book is about speaking and speaking better. I don't know that by just reading your cover, which is the first thing people are going to read. So there's a high probability they would just keep scrolling because they're like, I don't understand if that's exactly what I need.
Gotcha.
You see what I'm saying right there?
Now I need to make sure the rest of my subtitle is on the cover.
It doesn't even have to be the rest of it. You just got to add a little bit more clarity there. Now, looking at your actual title, articulation training, the 30-day clarity method. Speak clearly, eliminate mumbling, master pronunciation, and build confident workplace communication skills. Like, that's picture perfect, right? So the first thing I would be like, I would probably say we need to fix up the cover there. So it's, but other than that, your title's good. And then let's take a look at the description.
Do you think that other than that, where the 30-day clarity method part is on the cover itself looks okay?
Like, you could definitely do a better cover for sure. The imagery, I understand that's like sound waves, but how does that portray with speaking clearly? I think, especially if it's workplace communication, I feel there's probably better imagery we could use that would showcase that better. Okay. You know exactly what you want to say. What came out with something else? That's good. I like that headline because I can relate to that exactly, right? Because that happens to me a lot. So this is not another conference book. Your description's not bad. It's good. And then scrolling down. So your A+ could definitely use some work. These little things, you can see the things, right? That the squares that I'm moving on. Yeah, those are horrible to use. Just get rid of them. I'm not a fan of any squares because it's small. It doesn't look the best. Albeit it does look better on the phones, right? On computers, they just don't come across very well, but especially these things. You want to basically just use these type of modules over and over again. And just don't use this type of text here. The text should be in the imagery. Right? So it just requires a bit more work there. But so definitely the A+ is probably the weakest part of your Amazon listing. No, that's that, man.